Welcome back, everybody. We have steel to reinforce that area I carved out for the heat pump. And Ed needs another roll of foil. There you go.
Thank you, sir.
Time to drill a hole for our new power arrangement. And now I'll have to carve some more of this joist out of the way. Of course, the most important job of any trade is to remove everything that was done by another. As soon as I get all this lumber out of here, we can all have electricity. And since this panel is mounted tightly to the top plate, we'll drill for a couple of 1-inch conduits to go through here to allow wires in the top. So there's all the preparations I can think of. Here's the hole where the power will come in. There's the hole where this will join with the old fuse box here through that hole with this fitting. And Ed has gone to the board meeting, and now turning the power off will only be inconvenient to me. So let's go. Let's get rid of this comfort appliance. I'll use my electrician's key. Safety cover. Contacts not scorched or corroded. Nice. And it has become quiet and dark. Let's get this thing apart. And we'll remove our work circuit here. And finally, this giant, stupid surface-mounted thing is out of the way. Ah, such a nice fit, we don't need fasteners. And we get this LR and that guy. go something like so. I'll transition it to some of this flexible conduit with this fitting here, but I need to cut this back a bit to get some more flexibility. So, in order to cut this conduit without cutting the wire inside, we've got this guy. What wraps around here has a cutter on each link. And we clean off the sharp edge left by the cutter. Install our transitioning fittings. Get my best estimate of the length of this thing. Okay, yes, that can definitely be a little shorter. My, that original box is crooked. How do you twist a box that much? Well, let's see if I can straighten it a bit. Maybe I'll put in something nicer than these roofing nails. Little pry here. Little clamping there. Bendy bend. Use some of this grease to improve the conductivity and prevent corrosion. And we are connected. There. I tell you, if you want to stay in shape, just wrestle with some 3/0 copper wire. I'm soaked. Okay, let's get our temporary power back in here. In a very temporary sort of way. Success! Turn on the air conditioner. That's a day. And there's finally some room to work in there. I think Ed's got just about all the triangles cut. So thanks for joining us again. Remember, if you'd like to contribute to the project, you can donate at fullerdomehome.com, which will be listed in the video description. And if you'd like to follow the project, you can subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to be notified when new videos go up. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.